What's up, y'all? It's your girl Toya, and I am back with another video. So this time I'm back with these bohemian style multiple brown tone faux locks that I did on myself. This is my vacation here. Okay, I was supposed to be in the Bahamas, but y'all see how Corona been getting down. You seen what sis been doing out here in these streets. Anyway, that wasn't gonna stop me from doing my hairstyle. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I'm taking these new locks by Bobby Boss. This is in the color 1B27, and this is 24 inches. And I got this hair from Sam's Beauty. And I also have this crochet hair. This is Brazilian twist. This is from the brand Authentic in the color P427 and 20 inches. Now I'm taking my Murray's Edgewax. I'm going to take a little bit of that and put that at the base of my hair. So this is going to allow me to grip my hair really good and tight when I'm gonna start braiding it. So I'm gonna braid my hair down only about 2 inches. I don't find it to be beneficial to braid it any longer than that. Ain't nobody got time for that, and you're just gonna twist it instead of braiding it. It's much faster. So just keep twisting your hair all the way down to the ends, and you're gonna add some of that edge wax in between just to make sure that it's not becoming unraveled, and focus it on the ends as well so that way your ends don't come apart either. So now you're going to take the faux lock and you're going to pull that through the base of your hair, and instead of pulling the dread and your hair through the loop, you're only going to pull your hair through the loop. This is going to give you a flatter base. So what I noticed is that it'll be lumpy if I pull both of them through. So just pulling one through is going to help it to look a little bit more natural. So now I'm slightly unraveling the faux lock and then wrapping it around my hair. The goal is to cover it. Cover your hair with the faux lock all the way down into the end, and don't mind, it's okay if you don't get it completely covered or if there's little black pieces showing, because I'm not gonna leave it like this. We're gonna take that crochet hair after we finish going down the base of our actual hair, and we're gonna wrap that around, and that's gonna cover all of those black pieces. Now I'm just taking a little kombucha break. What y'all know about kombucha? Y'all know nothing about no kombucha. Y'all know nan ho. So now you're going to take the Brazilian twist hair and you're going to crochet that through the base of your hair and pull the faux lock and the Brazilian twist hair through that loop. And you're going to take one side of the Brazilian twist hair, spread it out a little bit so you can get some coverage at the base. And then you're going to wrap that. So keep wrapping it around your hair and make sure you wrap it a little, not as tight, just because it's going to tighten up as you keep wrapping, but tight enough so that the hair doesn't slide. So you're going to keep wrapping it and adjust it to your liking. And also you're going to see when I'm wrapping it that I'm going to push up the hair a little bit too, so that way I can cover the dread fully. Although you won't need to cover it fully. I mean, I kind of like the look of where the faux lock from underneath is sticking out a little bit. It gives the dread this dimension, like it gives it more of like a natural messy kind of look, and that's the kind of look that I'm going for. So you're gonna see, like, I don't know, 4 different tones of brown in here: black, brown, honey blonde. So it's all over the place, but that's the look that I'm going for. It gives me very summertime vibes. So keep wrapping and once you reach the end of that first piece, you're gonna swap out and use that longer piece now and wrap over the dread and wrap over that little short piece from the first piece that you had. So keep wrapping, and this is going to be the same way that you're going to add hair to. So I'm going to show you that coming up next. So you're going to take the additional piece now that you've reached the end of that second piece that you just used and spread it out as much as you can. Now you're going to make sure you're holding the dread in place, and you're going to take the new piece and wrap that around the dread and put that original piece down next to the dread. So basically you're just interlocking them. You're wrapping the new piece of hair around the base of the dread and the length of the dread, and this is just going to make sure that it doesn't move while you're trying to wrap that top piece right there. So now you're just going to hold it. Make sure you hold it tight because it can slip. So hold it tight and keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. So you may see it look a little funny, but when you push it up, it's going to be uniform to the same piece that you had before. So just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you get down to the bottom. And once that piece gets short, you're just going to swap it out with that long piece that you have. So the process is really just repetitive after that. Keep wrapping and wrapping. So now I'm at the ends. You're going to wrap the ends as much as you can. The tiniest pieces you're going to wrap downward, and then you're going to wrap it upward at the same time too. So you can split the little piece in two and just keep wrapping the hair around the dread, even a little strand, because that's going to help it lock. I didn't use any nail glue, no lighter, no nothing. I just kept wrapping, and I wrapped it upward. Okay, get crazy. Hey, one time for the one. Hey, so I'm just going to show y'all again how to do the process a little bit faster now. So I'm twisting my hair. Now I'm going to take that faux lock and I'm going to crochet it through the base of my hair. So the direction of me doing it, you're going to see I messed up here. I was trying to crochet it with the crochet hook facing upward. You don't want to do that. You want to have the crochet hook facing downward because you want the hair to lay down. If you do it facing upward, it's going to create a lump underneath the dread, which is going to make the hair stick up. So now I'm just wrapping the faux lock around my actual hair like I did before. Keep wrapping. And this one I did a little better than the last one. So I'm gonna just keep wrapping, and you just want to make sure your hair is covered. So now you take the passion twist, Brazilian twist hair, crochet that on, pull the dread and the hair through. Same old spill. You feel me out here. Spread the hair and then start wrapping that around the faux lock. And this is going to give you your bohemian dress, this. Okay? Keep doing what it do. You got this. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. This took me 3 days. It only took me 3 days because I procrastinate like crazy. I was working. Let me not say that, Lord Jesus. I'm going to get fired. I was doing other things while I was doing my hair. And even though I do my own hair, I've been doing my own hair since I was like 19. I hate it because my arms be hurting. But I like to do styles on myself, and I like to switch my hair often. So depending on somebody else to do that for me, it ain't gonna cut it for me. So this style took me about 3 days, but that was just because I was taking my sweet time doing it, like my sweet time. I used about 3 packs of hair, which I was really surprised because I saw somebody else do this on YouTube, and the girl said she used like 20 packs. I do think that her dreads were smaller than mine, but this size is really perfect for me. So this right here, you just showed me, I just interlocked that new piece of hair, and now I'm just wrapping it around to continue my dread. But anyway, yeah, some girl, she used like 10 packs, and I was just like, goodness. So I bought about 6 packs. And I know my head circumference, even though it look a little big, is still kind of small, and I didn't want that many dreads on my hair. I knew I wanted to be like a medium size. So 3 packs of the faux locks and 3 packs of the Brazilian twist, and I was perfectly fine. I think just because like the lengths, I bought long hair, so I got the length that I wanted without adding too much hair. And I would say for about each dread, I added maybe 2.5 pieces of the Brazilian twist hair. So it wasn't that much hair that I had to add to each dread. Honestly, these babies got some weight on them. Like, they got some weight on them. You would think these were real dreads, and they're not. That's the only con I would say about them. they're kind of heavy. So next time I'm probably gonna try to do a different method. I don't know what I can do to make it lighter. Maybe use less of the Brazilian hair, but I love them. Like, it came out really, really nice. So I'm going to show y'all the ends again. I'm just wrapping the hair down as much as I can, and then I go back up and wrap upward. So I'm just wrapping down, then wrapping up, then wrapping down, then wrapping up, and this secures it. No nail glue, no burned ends, no nothing. And then I just rub it between my hands a little bit, and that's how it looks. Goodness, my head was so motherfucking sore. My head was sore, but this is the finished product, bitch. Finished product. I have gotten so many compliments on this hair. They were like, you did your hair? You did your hair yourself? It looks so good. Wow, like, it looks so good. I love this. Is probably like my favorite style that I've ever did on myself. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you want to see more hairstyle videos, like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.